Hi you guys. Hi you guys and welcome to my channel. This box is way too big. I can't hide it. Look at this thing. This is the new spring 2026 Brio box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so again, this is the spring 2026 large, heavy, and in charge box by the BREO Box. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I gotta set this thing. This is heavy. This thing is heavy. And if you've been following me on my Instagram, I have like 40 bags of soil in my garden so far. I might have a little dirt under my nails. Hey, that's just what I've been doing. I have 20 more to do today, and hopefully I'll be done with soil. I planted almost 30 plants yesterday, so I'm getting my garden back in action, you guys. I'm so excited. But this has got to be the biggest and heaviest Brio box I have ever seen. I'm like, holy moly. And this even had an outer box. This barely fit in that outer box. So this is the box that they needed for all the items inside. I think last season it was the smallest box I've ever seen. Now we're at the largest and heaviest. So I'm so excited to see what is going to be in this big boy. So these boxes you can use for storage, or you can just recycle them. Especially this big one, I'm definitely keeping. I love to store things inside, even holiday stuff. Anything can be stored in them, and then all of your items always come down in a duster bag, which is always box size appropriate. So this is a huge one, which I'm definitely going to save. I love keeping these for like laundry, storing things in. If people come over and I got stuff for them, I can toss stuff in them, pull the little drawstring, here you go. So I always keep the duster bags too. So let's get, oh man, jeez, this is the biggest and heaviest box. And it says on the bottom and at the top, you deserve this. Yes, that is a really, really nice box that I'm going to be keeping. But look at all of this, you guys. Okay, so there's always a card on the top, which will have a QR code, which will have you go, let me move this to the side a little bit. Jeez, I've never seen a box so big for a seasonal subscription, anything like that. Like, whew. So let's go ahead and dive in. It says Spring 2026 Brio Box Unboxed. You can select the QR code to get more information, but on the other side, it does go over all of the items and it gives you the retail value. So right at a glance, you'll have all of that information without going to the QR, but I'm gonna go there so we can get some more information about each product. And now we are on the spring edition. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna grab the first thing on the top, and then we'll go through and see what everything is. Then we'll go over the pricing and all of that at the end as well. So the first item right on top, it is a smart body scale. Track your body, not just your weight. It's an actual like scale, like a weighing your weight scale. Wow, I never would have thought this would be in here. I just have a regular standard scale, so this would actually be really cool to replace it with, because this is definitely more fancy. You can even have it by Bluetooth to connect to your smartphone. Easily track your progress through the health app, set goals, and make informed health decisions. This personalized app experience, instant Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced technology make it the smart scale that is adored by millions of customers worldwide. And this right here, the smart scale values for $25. That's not even bad. That's a great value for a smart scale. So you can always grab one if you like it. You could always get another one for a gift or use this as a gift. But I think that's great to have in the spring box so we can be more mindful of our health moving forward. Especially, I know a lot of people like to get in shape before summer. You can tell I don't. And then on here, it says a little bit more information about the scale, and it says it will show you what's really going on from body fat and muscle mass to hydration levels. Step on barefoot, and 13 key health metrics land in your app within seconds. Wow. Again, only $25. You have a smart scale, and let me show you what it looks like. So it has batteries, it has a manual, and then here is the actual scale. That is so neat. It'll weigh up to 400 pounds. So there's item number one, already starting off amazing. So the next thing is an all-in-one BPM Greater Goods. Let's see what this is. Oh, BPM blood pressure monitor. So this is Greater Goods Smart Blood Pressure Monitor. This is valued for $60. Know your numbers wherever you are. The Greater Goods Smart Blood Pressure Monitor makes blood pressure and pulse tracking effortlessly. Just slide on the cordless cuff, press a button, and track your results. My man actually got me one several years ago, and I use it quite often. It's a great thing to have. Health is number one, should be important. So again, this is a great thing to put in a box to check your blood pressure. And if you already have one, you could always use this for a gift for somebody, because that would be a great gift idea as well. But this one comes like this, and it comes in a cool little package. This one looks way bigger than the one, like the one that my man got me is like half of this size. So let's see what she looks like. You have your manual right on top. You have probably a charging cord, because it did say it was cordless. Here is a whole nother manual on the bottom. And okay, so this is definitely completely different. The one that my man got me goes on my wrist, and sometimes I've heard like that's not too reliable. This one goes on your arm, you guys. Let's see. And that is what it looks like. And it's already charged because it turned on right there. That is so neat. I think that's great because it's a different type. So now I have like the quick one on my wrist or this one on my arm. That's great. I love that this is a different one than what I already have. I mean, again, health is extremely important, and if you can monitor anything yourself at home to keep track, that is I'm all for it. So that's awesome. 2 down, great things so far. Now we have is a flexible neck ultra bright LED book light. That's cool. You could probably put on like your nightstand and use like at your bedside if you wanted to have a little light at night. Not even if you want to read, but I'm sure you can use this for anything else as well. It's just a light to have. This one here is valued for $12. Keep reading long after the lights go out. This Carson Flex Neck LED book light clips onto any book, magazine, or tablet and bends in every direction to put bright and even light exactly where you need it. It is lightweight enough to toss in a bag and versatile enough to double as a desk or craft lamp. The kind of small upgrade that makes a surprisingly big difference. That is, like I said, that is great because you can use it for reading. You can clip it directly to your book or to your journal, whatever you are reading, or you can just put it there to have a little bit of extra light enhanced at whatever you're doing, like craft wise, anything like that. So that is good. Let's get this opened and see how bright it is. So here's your little clip. Oop. Again, you can clip that anywhere. You can clip it on the side of a desk. It does have a large reach, like if you wanted to put it like on a desk or something. And then, let's see, do you just press the button? No, you slide it forward. You need to put batteries. And then it bends anywhere you want it to go. So you have that little light that you can use for anything. And again, that is valued for $12. Now we have is a Power Bug 35 watt magnetic wireless charger. It says turn any plug into a charging dock. It's from 12 South. That's what it looks like. And there's the back. This right here is valued for $50. It says ditch the cable tangle. The 12 South Power Bug turns any wall outlet into a sleek magnetic charging station for your phone. No cords, no stands, no counter clutter. Your phone snaps on magnetically, charges wirelessly, and stays visible for glancing at recipes, timers, or incoming calls. A built-in USB port may power a second device at the same time. May power a second device at the same time, it says. So you do have that option of maybe charging two things at once. But it sounds like if you put this like in your kitchen and you have it posted up on there, you'll be able to see like if you're following a recipe or if you're watching a movie or watching something or listening to something, you can just post it up right there and it'll be just magnetically on there. I personally don't use the magnetic wireless, the magnetic charging capabilities on my phones. I don't even know. Yeah, mine won't even stick to it right now because I don't have that extra little oomph on the on my case. But this is what it looks like. You just plug it directly into the wall and then it will just magnetically stick right there. I was trying to see if I had anything that was a magnet. This thing here has a little magnet. There you go. There you go. So it'll just plop right there. And that is definitely different. But I really like that if you do use the magnetic charging, it can just stay right there and you have no cords, no mess, no anything like that. So even if you have one like by your bed, you put it there to charge whatever you like. But this is valued for $50 and it turns any plug into a charging dock. So there's that. And then the last and final item is this big, large and in charge box. This is a cold press juicer. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the duster bag just so you can see it with nothing in it. So I will definitely use that and that box. I'm so excited for this. Like I only have like a little tiny little that you can kind of put like an orange on and make some orange juice. I don't have an actual real juicer. This right here is the Greater Goods. Oh, so the same brand as the blood pressure monitor. And it's valued for $130. That's right, $130. Let's see what this is. I'm so excited, you guys. It says Juicy Secrets inside. There's like a little pamphlet right here, Juicy Secrets inside. And you even have a QR, so I'm sure you can probably scan that to get some more information about this. Look at it. It is like legit a real juicer. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this all out and show you like once it's all put together. I am so excited for this. Like I am beyond excited for this juicer. Here's one piece of it. Maybe a few pieces, but this is the one that I could pull out right now. Then there's even little cups. And then you have the actual main part that gets plugged in. You even have a cleaning brush. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this to the kitchen and set this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get everything out of this box. Again, it comes with all of these pieces and here is everything all complete. Super, super simple, an on, off, and reverse button. You have a locking button here to remove like this whole assembly right here. There's a lock and unlock right there to remove the filter. It is just so easy to put together and take apart. Here's all the pieces right here. I'm gonna wash them. And then once they are nice and dried, let's go ahead and put this all back together and get to juicing. If anything ever gets stuck, you just slide this down using that guide. Let's go ahead and get it all set up. If you have bigger chunks, you can open it here to put them in. We'll turn her on. Ooh, she's actually pretty quiet. So I'm going to start layering like a solid and then more of a liquidy, softer material. So here I have cucumber, green apple, and cubed chunked pineapple. Let's just go ahead and speed that up, but literally this only took a few minutes. It was super, super fast, super easy to clean up afterwards as well.
And that is it. We will turn her off, and there is all of the juice that it made. And that is everything that came out the other end. After pouring over ice, it is done. It actually was so good. I've never had an actual juice with cucumber in it, and I'm going to definitely be using this a lot. And with what's left over here, I'm gonna feed it to the ladies. Hey ladies.
Oh my gosh. Yeah? What's the matter, Java Java?
So hey, we both get to love this juicer from the BREO Box. Yeah, is that good, girls?
Oh my gosh, you guys, so that is everything that came in this new spring 2026 BREO box. You have the large and in charge juicer, which I cannot believe there's a whole juicer in this box. You have the blood pressure cuff that goes on your actual arm, not on your wrist, so you can have more of an accurate reading. You have the charging dock station there to charge your phone. You have the book, nighttime, or any type of light. And then you have the smart body scale. Okay, you guys. So again, that is all of the items that came in this new spring box. What do you think of this box? I have been feeling that they were kind of repeating items, and because they always promote that they bring you like the high-tech gadget items that you never knew you needed, and it's like a lot of things that like I already have and a lot of other people already had. So for the last few boxes, I was a little confused. This one, they're back on track. Like, this is what they normally do. They normally blow out a box filled with great products that you never knew you needed. And that is this. You have the scale, you have the blood pressure cuff, you have, this is unique, never knew that, the juicer. Like, I am really excited about this box. They definitely did great with this spring box. But you tell me, what do you think? What would be your favorite item in here? Do you like all of the different items in this box? Do you think this one is better than the ones that they have been showing lately? Definitely comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. If you like some information about this, I will let you know the pricing. I do have my own code, and that is SHE15, SHE15, and that will save you $15 off your first box if you are interested. Now, for the pricing, you can do season per season. You can cancel at any time. Season per season is $169, and it has free US shipping. And this one, you guys, this box is extremely heavy. Extremely heavy. I don't even want to know how much shipping is on this box. So keep that in mind. Shipping is included in that price. So $169 is the box per box. If you want to save some money, you can go to the annual membership to lock in all 4 for the year, and that would bring your box price down to $149.75. And again, SHE15 will get you $15 off your first box as well. I will have them all listed down below in the description box if you like to pop on over and check them out. If you like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for me to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.